Let's talk about Apple Pencil. I have this peculiar habit of buying accessories of things like Apple Pencils right here for some replica company which is way cheaper than what you can buy from the official brand. Like if you go to apple.com, you can buy this thing for more than $100. A pencil costing more than $100, while you can buy a replica of it like this one right here by Xaikoo for $30. Now most of the times when you buy something which is not exactly the original product, it does not usually stand up to what it was intended to be by obviously the one designed it, who invented it, whose prototype this is. Similarly over here, Xaikoo right here is something which on the first look looks exactly the same as Apple Pencil does, or mostly the same, but does it hold up? Does it stand parallel to the Apple Pencil? Or is it just another replica which is there and you can use it and it's cheap? But then there are some times, and I mean very rare by the way, once in a blue moon, when you can buy something which actually exceeds the expectations even from what the original was supposed to be. So is Xaikoo Apple Pencil one of those things? Or is it just another fake replica which is there, you can use it and it gets the work done? Or is it something which Apple could be looking upon and thinking that could be us? In this quick quiz, let's find out.
The main part of this section will be divided into three main parts. The first part would be how it is in writing, which is basically our biggest concern. The second part would mostly be what this thing could have done better, what Xaikoo's owner could have done differently and could have been improved upon. And the last part would be how it holds up with the iPad. You know, an Apple product holding up with something which is not an Apple product, which Apple is known for not being good at.
So in the end, I'm gonna go with a 9.8 out of 10 for this Apple Pencil, or well, Xaikoo pencil. Because one, it's $30. B, it gets almost everything done what you can expect from an Apple Pencil, or most of the things done. The only reason I'm taking the 0.2 points off is because of this weird touch gesture right here, which you accidentally press when you are not intending to press it, and because it does not have the magnetic charging, and obviously because of no shading. But honestly, as I said, I'm an engineer, I barely use it. And that is it. Let me know what you guys think about it.